Hello world, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenzie Craig Michaels, pro makeup artist and beauty influencer here in Canada. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're a subscriber or a new subscriber, please give this video a thumbs up, a like, leave a comment in my comment section as I do respond to all comments. And make sure that you smash that subscribe button, tell all your friends and family to subscribe to Kenzie Craig Michaels, and hit the bell for future notifications so you can catch me on the go. You get a little ding on your iPhone or your Samsung phone or whatever phone you may have, and you can catch me on your lunch break. So I just wanted to say thank you to all my followers. You know, you've done an exceptional job leaving comments. The Jeffree Star week is almost to its end, and I had a very enjoyable time reviewing his products. The Eleganza finale, which is actually supposed to be happening tomorrow, but it's not because I do not have enough comments from you guys. Like, come on people, leave comments as to what the title is going to be for my finale. I can't do the finale without the title. So get creative, come up with titles of what my Eleganza grand finale of reviewing all of Jeffree Star's products should be. And then I can actually get on it and do the channel episode. So it's going to be an exciting episode, so I need the comments and support from all you guys. So get on there, leave some titles for me. So there's one woman that's in the lead, can't say her name, but she knows who she is. She's left some great comments. So all of you other people, make sure that you leave comments. So this video today is actually about my AM skincare routine. And I had one of my subscribers ask me about my AM skincare routine. And it's only natural to ask about that because I just did a video on my 10-step skincare routine for nighttime. And you know, you think 10 steps is a lot of steps, but when you're talking about AM and AM prep, if you have kids, getting the kids out, you know, getting them dressed, you know, getting them their food made, making the breakfast if you have a family, you know, making yourself breakfast. If you're able to, you're on the go, you're on the fly, you're trying to get showered, you're trying to put your makeup on. There's a lot of things that you gotta do in the morning, and these are a lot of steps. So, you know, putting skincare into there is not really that hard. It's just another thing, another repetition that you automatically do. It's like riding a bike, you know? You keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it, and it just becomes natural to you. Same if you don't wear makeup and then you start wearing makeup, all of a sudden it just becomes a natural motion for you to do every single day. So I'm going to explain to you exactly what I do. So, when I get up in the morning, besides having my black coffee with a little bit of Splenda in it, and 2 black coffees, you know, most men, and I'm going to say men, excuse me, will have the SSS, which is the shit, shower, and shave. However, that being said, as a gay man, and as most women and teenagers know, there's a lot more to getting prepped and ready for work and ready for going out and seeing people in the daytime. So besides having your breakfast, besides, you know, getting in the shower, washing your hair, conditioning your hair, etc., 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 you do apply, and you need to apply, and you need to make time, and you need to take the time and the effort to make your skin gorgeous for the world to see during that day, even before you apply your makeup. So I'm going to tell you exactly what steps I use and what products I use and why I like them right now. So the first step that I do every morning when I'm in the shower is use my Lancome cleansing foam mousse. So in circular motions, clockwise and counterclockwise, all the way down my face. That's the very first step I do. Wash my body, obviously. Shampoo and conditioner my hair, obviously. Then I get out of the shower, towel dry. Seems simple, right? Duh. Then I actually shave. After I shave, and it's really important, I know even for women, I use a Gillette Mach 3 razor blade. I've never had razor burn in my life. And I think that's because when I actually use the razor, I'm using it in the proper way. I make sure that my skin is very hot when I'm using it and using the foam for my shaving cream. I do use a good quality shaving cream as well, and that actually helps prevent razor burn. Also, applying cold water onto your skin afterwards to remove the residual traces of your shaving cream. It's a great trick too to close those pores. So women, if you're shaving your legs with hot water in the shower, make sure that you put cold water on afterwards to close those pores in, and you won't have that I'm not going to say nicking, but you won't have any sort of razor burn as much if you've ever experienced that in the past. So using my cleanser, then I actually go ahead and I use my Tonique Comfort, which is for dry skin types. I put that just onto a cotton pad and massage it around my face, clockwise and counterclockwise, down the bridge of my neck. After that, I actually take my eye cream, which is the Advanced Genifique gel that I actually talked about in yesterday's channel episode of the best 4 eye creams on the market. I use this around my eyes for lymphatic drainage, puffiness, dark circles, lines and wrinkles, dehydration, dryness, crow's feet, fine lines, and it's extremely amazing, fantastic product, especially for crow's feet and wrinkles. So you only need a tiny little bit. A little bit goes a long way, or I like to say a little dab will do ya. After that, I use this product here, which is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Minus the night, it's actually for AM, PM. Why Estee Lauder called it Advanced Night Repair, I have no idea. But you know what? You can use it AM and PM. And it is a gorgeous serum. We talked about one of the best eye creams on the market yesterday. This product here is amazing too. It's boosted with lots of hyaluronic acid in it to boost the moisture lipids to your skin. So you're just going to apply a couple of drops like so onto the back of your hand and pick up and apply. And this gives you so much moisture to your skin. It's unbelievable. And it's a repair product as well, so it helps to combat all the visible signs of aging. And when you apply this product, ladies, men, oh, you will be addicted. And I am addicted to it. So that being said, that is my repair serum. So we've used our cleanser, toner, our eye cream, and last but not least, I use the Absolute Regenerating and Replenishing Face Cream, Premium BX by Lancome. This is a brand new one in the box. I forgot to bring mine into my studio area here. So this is what it looks like, the Absolute Premium BX Day Cream. And this is a thicker, richer texture because my skin does tend to be dry. After that, I'm basically done if I'm going somewhere and I'm not, you know, trying to look like I have makeup on. I don't apply makeup. But for all you women and teenagers, that would be when you would start applying your primer. Your primer is an integral part of your makeup routine, and we'll get into that on another makeup episode. However, after that, just because I want to have a little bit of color, I use actually the Saint-Tropez Purity Mist. Now, this is a phenomenal product. It imparts color onto your skin, and it smells tropical. It's super hydrating, and it gives just a bit of, imparts like a super little bit of color to your skin. I can't describe it until you've actually tried it. So as you can see, mine is basically almost gone because I use it all the time. You just close your eyes and mist like so all over your face. And what you'll notice is that you'll get a bit of a gradual tan with this when you use it on a regular basis, and this will start to develop almost immediately. So after that, I basically do my hair and put my clothes on, and you guys may think that that's a simple, or maybe you think it's a complicated routine, but think about all the steps, women, that you guys have to do. Your foundation, your primer, your blush, your powder, your concealer, your mascara, your eyeshadow, your brows. So adding a skincare routine for AM in there isn't going to be that complicated for you. And adding in what I just showed you as a basic skincare regime for the morning is going to be simple for you to achieve. So I just wanted to come on and tell you guys that that's what I use for my AM skincare routine. Those are the products that I would recommend you purchasing. So the Lancome cleanser, the Lancome toner, they have a variety of different toners as well. Also the Estee Lauder, if you've never tried the Advanced Night Repair Serum, absolutely gorgeous and divine. Your skin will love you forever. So, you know, I normally stick with one brand. I usually use Lancome. However, I have been experiencing with other brands as well, just because I've been in the beauty industry for so long. And, you know, I've used this product in the past, so I wanted to talk about it, and I have been using it for the past couple of weeks again, just because my skin has become dehydrated and I wanted to use it in the morning, in my morning ritual. Thank you so much for joining me. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in my comment section and I'll be sure to get back to you on the answer to your question. Thank you so much once again. And you're watching Kenzie Craig Michaels. Make sure that you hit that like button, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Cheers, everyone. Enjoy your Thursday. Bye.